Hello, learners of 3D. This video is for you to use at home to help you practice what we've been learning in school and to help you with your homework. Today I'm going to talk about multiplication and division. In class, we've been working on solving problems like this one. And we've been using the connection that there is between multiplication and division, which mathematicians call the inverse relationship between multiplication and division. So we've talked about how multiplication and division equations kind of live in a little family. That family lives in this triangle. And if I have Mr. 32 here at the top, he's going to be connected either through multiplication or division to Mr. 8 and Mrs. 4. So when I look at this, I know that 8 times 4 is 32. I also know that 4 times 8 is 32. I know that 32 divided by 8 is 4, and that 32 divided by 4 is 8. Take a minute to look at those four equations. Now, if you look at them closely, you'll see that every single one of those equations only uses the numbers 8, 4, and 32, and that we have two multiplication equations and two division equations. So how can we use this to solve problems like this one? Well, if we know that 8 times 4 is 32, then we immediately know that b is 4, but we might not know that. So we're going to use some beans. In class, we use blocks. When you're at home, you might not have blocks, so you can use beans or rocks or candy or marbles or whatever you have in the house that's little and that you have many of. So right here, I have 32 beans because I am looking for b, and I know that my total is going to be 32. I also know that when I multiply, I'm taking groups that each group has the same number in them, and then I'm putting them together to find a total. Now, I don't have to find the total today, I have to find b. So I know that I have 8 groups, that my total is 32, but I don't know how many are in those groups. So I'm going to take 32 and I'm going to pass it out into 8 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Notice that I'm taking all my beans and I'm putting them into separate groups, and that I have 8 groups in total. So where was I? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So I definitely have 32 beans on here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups. And when I look at my 8 groups, I see that there are 4 in each group. This tells me that 8 times 4 is 32. So b must be 4. Let's try another. Or no, let's do something else first. You can also use a picture to solve this instead of your counters. So again, we've got 8 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 32 total. Let's pass them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Again, you see that there are 8 groups, 32 little dots, and that each group has 4 dots. So B must be 4. Alright, let's do another example. Let's try a division one. What if we see something like m divided by 6 equals 4. We want to know what m is. We know that m is a big number that has been split up into 6 groups and that each group has 4. Let's make a fact family to go along with that. So we know that we are multiplying and dividing. We know that 6 lives over here, 4 lives over here, and I want to know who lives up here. I'm going to call him M for now. First thing I'm going to do is take my beans, and I know that I have 6 groups and that each group has 4, so I'm going to make 6 groups with 4 beans in each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, group 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's group 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, group 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, group 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, group 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, group 6. So I've got 6 groups, 4 beans in each group, must mean that this number, the total of all these beans. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So M must be 24. This means that 24 divided by 6 is 4. That 24 divided by 4 is 6. That 6 times 4 is 24. And that 4 times 6 is 24. So, as you practice at home, I encourage you to use pictures or beans and counters to solve your problems. Good luck!